Hello everyone, I'm going to do a brief introduction to feedback module, explaining the user guide and capabilities of it. I'm Harsha Sirvadana, Google Summer of Code 2012 student of OpenMRS. My primary mentee is Gaurav Paliwal, so initial developer of feedback module, and my backup mentee is Ben Wolf, he's project leader of feedback mechanism project. First, let me tell you about the role of general feedback mechanism in OpenMRS. Basically, feedback module provides a mechanism for users to communicate with system supporters, admins with system related. That means non-patient specific messages. For example, some user or implementer can read back like this, saying today the system is running slower than the normal speed. I tried to select summon error and got this kind of error. Likewise, ordinary user can submit feedback to admins or system operators likewise. So these are the features of feedback module: user-friendly wizard-driven feedback form, automated screenshot capture mechanism and edit process by blacking out, highlight within a browser. This is a real cool feature. I will show you that later on. And user-to-user communication within feedback system. Previously, if you need to attach a screenshot, you had to print screen your machine, edit any sensitive data if exists using an image editing tool. That means if there is patient-specific data, you need to remove them. So you had to use image editing tools to edit and black out those, and again, after all, you have to upload to the feedback form. So all those annoying steps are skipped in this new version of feedback module. The main concept behind the enhancements of new version follows some of the gold features in Google's feedback mechanism. Oh, maybe you have seen that in YouTube or blog or somewhere. Oh, otherwise you can check it from Google Feedback Tools as well. So now I will start my demonstration. Okay, I'm logging as a provider role. One is a user of. Okay, let's say I'm creating a patient called Saman Pereira, and let's say suppose I'm getting an error while creating a new patient, so I want to file a feedback ticket. So if you want to submit a feedback, you will notice the submit feedback button in this upper right corner, so you need to click on it. After that, you will proceed into this wizard-driven feedback form. In the first step, you can mention the feedback message content. I'm mentioning creating a new patient. Error occurred by creating a new patient. So after that, you will notice there's two buttons in here. If you click this button, the feedback ticket will just submit with all the defaults. So in one single click, you are done. So that's for quick way. If you want to proceed with the length feedback wizard, so you can click next. After that, you will proceed into the stack trace optionals. Stack traces, you can put it in here and click next. After that, you will be able to select any predefined subjects and severity levels. And this is a receiver. This is a very cool feature in this new version of feedback module. You can assign the you can direct the feedback into the most responsible person rather than the same admin. Let's say there's a system supporter called Gyan. you can submit the feedback to Gyan rather than sending it to admin. So after you click next, you will take it into the edit the screenshot step. This is a really cool feature in the new version of Feedback Module. You can highlight any important data as necessary. If you want to remove any unnecessary highlights, you can just click on it and click blackout. You can hide those sensitive data by blacking out, same as you can remove. So after that you can click next. It will take some time to render the image and it will show the process screenshot in image format. So after several clicks you are done with process screenshot. And from here, so if you need to attach any screenshots or whatever attachments, you can choose this button to attach them. And after you click next, you are taken into the summary of the feedback wizard. From here you will be able to see all the data and confirm they are correct. And we are taking the page information as well and the browser information as well in the new version of Feedback Module. So after that you can click submit. After that your feedback will be submitted. So if you want to review the submitted feedback, you can click like after you click this, you will take it into this one. So in here you will be able to see the feedbacks you have submitted in history. So this is the feedback we just submitted. So by clicking that one, you will be able to see all the screenshot attachments and all the stuff are logged in here. So now if you need to submit a comment, you can just add comment in here. After that it will be shown in here. One color Sakura a moment ago. As well you can attach as well. You can view the feedback content. This is a feedback and this is the user rendered trace, and like that. And in here you will be able to see the assigned feedbacks. So just now these are assigned to one called Sakura. Now I'm log out and log in as Gyan, who is the system support of Nuan. So by clicking here you will be able to see the submitted feedbacks of Gyan. I want to see the manage assigned feedbacks of Gyan. So in here you will notice that this is the feedback we just submitted. One called Sakura moments ago, 20 ticket number 20. So in here you will see the comments by Gyan and feedback assigned to Gyan. So in here you can enter some comments and he will be able to do the communication with related to a particular feedback. So similarly Gyan can submit feedbacks as he's a user of our OpenMRS system. He can see the assigned feedback tickets from here, and in here all users will able to receive email notifications after inserting their email address in here. So they will receive email notifications on there. So now let me log out and log in as admin so I can show you the privileges of being admin. So in here admin can view view all the feedback submitted by any user. So he's a super user already. So this is the feedback submitted, feature submitted in here. So admin can assign new users. For now, Gan is only user assigned to the feedback ticket. If admin want to remove this Gan and add another one, so after that, now only daemon can. Daemon is assigned to this feedback ticket. Multiple users can be added to a particular feedback ticket, and if all the communication can comment on it. Now we see you want can super is a conversation on this feedback comment list, and if you want to close down this feedback status, like so, you can change the status as well, and after all it's solved, and in here you will able to see the status is solved. So likewise, the feedback administrator can do the super privileges of in this module. Admin can assign users and status, as we said. Yes, that's all about admin. He can view the image as well, and I will show you the other privileges of being administrator. In here, the administrator will be able to change the predefined subjects. He can edit the captions and priorities. Likewise, he can turn so the admission concept, and similarly severity status can be changed to any kind of captions. Settings, by using these settings, the administrator can change the captions of. So likewise, those are the privileges of being admin. So another thing, to use these, users want to use this submit feedback option. The administrator needs to add particular privilege called add feedback into that particular role. So after that, they will able to view that and able to submit feedbacks. So that's all about feedback module. Now I will switch into the slides. So as I said earlier, add feedback, there are two privileges called add feedback and admin feedback. For normal users, add feedback need to be added. Admin need to manually add this privilege for a particular row, otherwise send feedback button will not visible for general users. And admin feedback, it's already not needed for super user, it's defaultly added. And after that, I will explain a bit more about the technical facts of feedback module. The screenshot rendering mechanism happens completely at client side within user web browser, so only using JavaScript. Now server side interaction happens at a I have used an open source jQuery plugin called HTML to Canvas to code the screenshot rendering mechanism. And for talking about browser compatibility, I'm recommended to use Google Chrome 18 plus, especially recommended to use Google Chrome because the rendering mechanism perfectly happens in only Google Chrome, Firefox, or Internet Explorer, Opera, Safari since supported. Known issues are OpenMRS image isn't getting captured when using other browsers than Google Chrome. Rendering mechanism. Rendering image HTML button may be a little bit different than the actual button. That means a small slight difference between the rendered image button comparing to the actual button. So I think you need to submit to our project Jira. So you can find the project Jira from here, and these are the related documents. So to learn about this feedback module, you can refer these documents. Download element you can download from here. If you want to contribute to source code or see the coding, the really cool feature of screenshot capture mechanism, you can visit our GitHub repository and browse for OpenMRS module feedback. And that's all. Thank you everyone.